Hi there, students. To veg out. To veg out. To lie about doing nothing. Let's see, after a hard day at work, you're pretty tired, and all you want to do is veg out. Yeah, just sit on the sofa doing nothing. I think most of us, when we want to veg out, we just sit there and watch a film or watch series. We veg out for a couple of hours and then go to bed. Okay, this veg comes from vegetate, and this is the idea is that to do something where we don't have to think, we don't have to do much action, we just sit there and absorb it. So to veg out in front of the TV, yeah, if you're going to have a night in, probably what you're thinking of is just vegging out in front of the TV and watching whatever is put on for you. Yeah, so to relax, but in a really lazy way. Yeah, you don't move much. To veg out on the couch, to veg out on the sofa after an exhausting day at work, maybe all you really want to do is to veg out, to be inert, to be passive, to relax but in a passive way, not doing anything at all, to vegetate, to become an absolute vegetable. Yeah. So yes, but if you've had a really hard week at work, you could spend all weekend vegging out, but then you go back to work again and you feel like you really haven't had a weekend at all. Yeah. So well, but work makes you tired, and then all you want to do is veg out, to vegetate. Yeah, to just not do anything, to deliberately just be lazy, to kill your time. I suppose if you take a long journey, a long train journey, the only thing for you to do is to veg out, and watch the scenery go by. Okay, and this is the idea of to veg out, to vegetate out. I think it's got the idea of hang out as well. So let's see. Formality. This is informal. 3.5 informality. Use it in an informal conversation. And then the origin, well, veg from vegetate. Yeah. And out, just not doing anything, I guess. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To veg out.